On multi-day hikes, proper sustenance is often the one thing that can make or break your experience. In addition to offering protection for your food, the Frontiersman Insider Bear Safe by Sabre also offers high-capacity storage, ideal for multi-day hikes and families, and greater comfort with a unique, slim design. This provides equal load distribution, packing easily inside packs 45 liters or larger. Before you get out on the trail, it's important that you get the most out of your Bear Safe with the proper preparation. To start, choose foods that are easy to condense. Energy bars, instant meals, trail mix, powdered milk, jerky, dried fruit, and hot cereal are all great choices. It's also important to avoid bulky packaging that takes up too much space. You'll want to pack your food into resealable bags. These bags can be further compressed by adding small holes to let the air out. Just make sure this is only done with dry goods. Next, label each bag by meal. These can be reused as needed. Place your meals in the canister in the order of consumption. Start by putting your larger meals, like dinner that you'll be eating later, on the bottom, then lunch items in the middle, and finally your breakfast items. Lastly, your most accessed snacks and items should be placed on top. The high-capacity storage allows you to pack plenty of food, giving you or your family the energy needed on your hike. With these packing tips in mind, you can now get the most out of your hiking trip while also staying safe. Check out our full line of bear safety products, including the Frontiersman Insider, at sabrered.com.